Good morning, little happy children. Here you are, the weather and date chart we're going to start from today. In here, you can see today the weather is. Here you have to choose the weather. Remember, if it's sunny, if it's rainy, if it's snowing, etc. So all you have to do is click on this icon, the red circle, and you are all the weather, cloudy or partly cloudy, rainy, stormy, remember, snowy, windy, okay? So today, for example, the weather is sunny. You click on sunny and you got, today the weather is bright and sunny. And now we have to complete the date. Okay, remember what day is today? We have to complete with today's date. I'm recording it on a Sunday, so you have to click here and you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, today is Sunday, so I choose Sunday. And then the number 26. And then the month April. Okay, so here we are, the weather and date chart. Bye-bye.